Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to set Instagram bio to blogger. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app and tap on profile icon. Then click on three line option. Okay, and scroll down. Tap on account type and tools and just click on switch to professional account. Just click, then tap on next, and this option select digital creator and just tap on blogger. Click blogger option and switch to professional account. That's all. To add Instagram bio to blogger. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.